So parotid duct, parotid gland, mandibular gland, mandibular duct, sublingual duct,
No, sublingual.
gland, sublingual gland.
And that's the digastric muscle.
Yes. And then
My glove was behind it.
quadratus lumborum, I think. And then this is the left lateral, left medial, quadrate, right medial, right medial, right lateral, caudate, papillary process of the quadrate, caudate,
Yeah.
and then cystic, hepatic, common bile duct. The esophagus is in here. This is the duodenum. Yeah.
Yep.
Then this was
The pancreas.
pancreas all over here. This is the colon, the cecum, the ileum. This is jejunum, mesentery. Then we can go down here, I guess. So urinary bladder.
Is it flatter?
It's flatter.
Nice.
Urinary bladder, urethra, prostate gland. This is the spermatic cord.
Much, right?
Then it has the fascial sac, and then this is the testicle, and then the glans penis, the shaft,
Stomach.
the crus of the penis, the bulba urethra, and then this is the what? What was this again?
Probably the other models.
No,
Femoral.
femoral nerve. The vas
It's up
deferens
there.
is right here. Vas deferens.
Yep.
That's the
And then
transverse colon,
in here,
descending colon.
Leah,
descending
you're gonna have to help me out. This
Yeah.
is the suprarenal
Yep.
right here. Then there's psoas major, psoas minor. This was what? The lateral branch of the
thoracic.
No, not thoracic.
no
Lumbar.
lumbar nerve.
Lumbar nerve.
And then medial branch of the lumbar nerve.
Medial will be medial lateral.
And then this was lateral cutaneous. And I think that's all we have, right? I did femoral. Where did he say the crus was?
The crus of the diaphragm.
Right here. This is the crus of the diaphragm. Right in here. In that hole. This part right here.
It looks like a bug.
Yeah. Crus of the diaphragm.
Did you do the bottom part with the testes?
Yep.